Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually coming back to my channel too because I filmed this whole video and was like, oh, I'll film the introduction at the end when my makeup's all done. And then I filmed my outro and left. So here I am, very, very grateful that I hadn't taken my makeup off already. And hi. Today we're doing sunshine eyes because guess what? I am so ready for summer. I'm tired of the rain in Georgia. I'm tired of the cold. So let's jump into the bright summer makeup. Okay, so to start off, I've already prepped my eyes with concealer and set them. And I'm going to be going into 3 different palettes today. One is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I love the variety of colors in this palette, but it's not the most pigmented. So I'm also going to be supplementing it with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one also has a really fun variety of bright shades. I'm mostly going to be using the yellows and oranges today. And finally, for some intense pigment, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Bold palette. This thing is just incredibly pigmented, especially for matte brights. Taking an extremely large fluffy brush, this one is by Farrah Cosmetics, I'm going to combine these top 2 yellow shades in this palette. This one isn't the most, I don't know, they don't show up that well, so I'm going to be mixing them. And I kind of like that they're not super pigmented because this is going to be the beginning of our transition shade. I want to get just a very soft yellow all over the eye. I'm going to slowly and gently build that up. I'm bringing that out and down a little bit just to help blend that out as smoothly as possible. Now that I'm happy with the blend on that, I'm going to grab a slightly smaller fluffy brush. I'm going with this one now. I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and go into these 2 shades right here. And I'm going to also work these into the crease, but I'm going to concentrate them a little bit lower. I don't want them going all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, my lids are getting brighter and brighter, and now it's time to add some orange. Notice how every time I go a shade deeper, I'm going to take a even smaller blending brush. So like, look at this little progression here. With each time the blending brush gets smaller, this one is also much denser. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics palette and grab this orange right here. I'm going to be the most precise with this shade. I don't want it traveling up at all. I want it staying right in the crease. I'm going to take my bigger fluffy brush again, grab the light yellow that I started with, this one right here, and I'm going to use that to blend the edges out some. I'm going to go into my Smashbox palette, take the orange shade, and I'm going to very carefully put this into my outer corner. I'm also going to buff it into the outer part of my lid. So one of my buddies wrote a script for a movie, and I'm going to script reading tonight. I guess he kind of wants like a focus group to give him feedback on how it's going. This is his third draft. I'm gonna walk in with these like bright freaking eyes, and people are gonna be like, what are you wearing, Audrey? But at least I think some of them probably know that I have this channel, so it should make some amount of sense to some people. I don't know, like, I actually do wear these looks out, y'all. Even like the really bright and crazy ones. Oh, my dogs. I'm gonna take some of this orange from the BH palette and put some of that back in my crease. Anyway, yeah, I actually do wear these looks out, like even the ones that are not, you know, the most wearable. I don't know, it's like I do all that work on them. I don't want to take it off just because I have to go somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of the orange from the Smashbox palette. I'm gonna take it on the flat side of this brush. I'm gonna start popping that on the inner part of the lid. I'm taking more of that orange from the BH Cosmetics palette and defining the crease again. Just going back in and blending again. Every time I'm not satisfied with the blend, I just go in and fix it. Gonna take some yellow and blend the top out again. I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of the red from the Smashbox. for some shimmer, I'm going to grab the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition and grab this, this Transformer shade. It's kind of like a white shimmer with gold reflex. And I'm going to tap some of that into my outer corner. So I got these colorful eyeliners and mascaras from Colourpop. I don't really know how well they work, but they also came in really cute packaging. This is the packaging for the mascara. It has like Colourpop on it. And let me show you the eyeliners. The eyeliners came in this cute little like slide out thing that I actually think I am going to keep them in because it's so convenient. But I want to try doing a yellow wing and just seeing if it shows up. So hopefully this doesn't ruin the whole look. It's definitely showing up more on the darker parts of the shadow. It's a little bit patchy, which doesn't shock me because it is such a light color. Okay, maybe I'll let that dry a little bit and see if I can go back over with it. It's patchy and kind of hard to work with, but I mean, I don't really have super high expectations for the performance of a yellow liner. I guess what I'm saying is I feel like this is probably a difficult product to perfect. And it's cheap. I mean, this is Colourpop. It's not gonna be a $20 performance, probably. It's doing better if I like tap it along instead of drag. I also got this gold liner from Urban Decay. I kind of just want to go along the top of that line and see what happens. That's pretty. You know what, I wonder if I packed eyeshadow on that yellow line. I'm going to take like the tip of this. Let's see what happens. I feel like that did just increase the pigment a little bit. So it feels a little bit crinkly, the eyeshadow does, even before, or the eyeliner does, even before I put the eyeshadow on it. So I can't say that I expect this to stay, but it's definitely worth a shot. Let's go ahead and do our under eyes before we do mascara. First we're going to grab the yellow shade. Really any of the yellow shades I've used at this point will work. I haven't done my under eye like makeup yet, face makeup. I'll probably have to redo some of this after I do that. Okay y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face makeup up, then I'll be back to finish the eyes. Okay, I went and finished up my brows, finished up my face, did my hair. Now I'm going to grab a yellow back from, I'll just go into both yellows from my NYX palette and sweep that under the eyes with a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna take the flat side, grab my BH Cosmetics palette, and take the orange in the center, that one that we've been using, and just kind of sweep that right underneath the lash line. I really wish Colourpop would come out with an orange liner. Colourpop, you hear me? I love orange. It's such an underrated color, honestly, like, I don't know. I just got my nails done. Now I'm just gonna grab my black liner and stamp right along my lash line, because I'm going to be applying lashes today. I don't want to take up any of the space that the yellow is occupying. This is just to assist the lash band. Okay, it's time for mascara. Today I'm going to be taking my Younique Cosmetics mascara that I've been testing. I think final verdict on this. I like this mascara in the sense that it works, and it's not, you know, it is honestly kind of hard to find a mascara that works consistently and that you don't really have to fight with. But I will say that I don't get the same amount of volume that I get with some of my other mascaras. It's just kind of average on the volume. But if, you know, if I'm in a hurry and I just want to grab something that's going to get the job done with no fuss, this is that mascara. Basically what I'm saying is no complaints. Wait, I do have a complaint. This mascara is $24. For $24, I want a mascara to be like, yes, like stunning. And this, like, no. Do I recommend you purchase this? No, I recommend that if you want to find a mascara that works like this, use one of like the fancy Maybelline ones that are like $8, or one of the fancy L'Oreal ones not the Lash Sensational because I didn't like that, but one of the fancy L'Oreal ones. It's like $8. I don't recommend that you spend $24 on this product. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. Today I'm gonna be using this new style of house of lashes. I mean, it's not new to them, but it's new to me. It's called Serene Light. So give me a second to pop these on. Okay, with lashes on, I'm going to apply some yellow mascara to the bottom of my lashes. Again, this is the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara in Yellow Goodbye. Ah, that's cute, like, yellow, goodbye, hello. Anyway, let's see how this works. I'm not really sure if this is gonna do anything at all. I can see them. That's so weird. Okay, I definitely did this side better than this side. Like, they're more visible. I'm gonna just throw some mascara in right here to cover up that yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna throw on some lips and highlighter and we'll be done. Let's see. I'm gonna take this fun, what is it? Moda Pro Cosmetics brush that I got. And I think I got this in Ipsy. This is their BMX 265 Glow Brush. I'm going to take the gold highlighter we've been using from the Anastasia Glow Kit and just put it on our high points. Poppin'. Okay, now I'm going to take the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in my main. This is from the Desi and Katie collection. Pop that on. I'm also going to take this Tarte lip gloss. I'm not really sure what the shade name is because it's not on here, but it's orange. I'm going to pop this onto the lips. Alright everyone, this completes this Sunshine Eyes tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like sunshine. I don't know. It's cute, it's bright, it's orange, it's yellow, and I enjoyed creating it. I enjoyed being inspired by my nails, which I'm so happy to have done. I'm starting to get my Dragon Lady nails back. I like to have like really long ones so that I can be typing like I'm bougie. But anyway, if you liked this video, please remember to like it, comment, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell down below so that YouTube will let you know when I post, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Oh, whoa. Do what you want, but you're never gonna shake me. Sticks and stones are never gonna break me down. Whoa. Take me away, the sweet escape, the sweet escape. Take me away, take me away, take me away. To brighter days, the sweet escape. Take me away. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Oh, whoa.